The goal is to produce a can that has this label on it. And I'm going to start with an empty can just to practice. So on each label, there's a little tear-off sheet about 1/4 of an inch long at the end that's all white. This end here. You tear that off first. Then you would position the orange part of the can away from the seam in the can. So you would put the label on like this and line it up so that it is even on the top and the bottom. I'm not sticking this on. This is sticky. Then when I get these lined up here, front and back, I remove the part that's not sticky and just fold down the sticky part. So now this label is stuck with that little bit of 1/4 inch adhesive. Now all you do is remove the rest of the adhesive strip, and now the back is all exposed to the glue part. And then you just roll the can in your fingers, and if you've done this right, it should line up exactly. This one did not. It's off a little bit. We want to try to avoid that. Can you see that? See where this doesn't line up? This piece and this piece is off. So we'll try another one. Take off the little strip. Now the adhesive is exposed. There's a top part and the bottom part of a can, and Jenny can show you which one is which. Then there's a seam in the can. We don't want that in the front. And the front of the can is where the orange logo is. So we put the logo where we want it, and we try to line it up square where the distance from the label to the top of the can and the bottom of the can is the same, which is about maybe 1/8 of an inch. And then we roll it across and see if we have it straight. And the way we would know we would have it straight is, do these two white lines line up? And it looks pretty good. Now I'm going to let go of the orange piece, and I'm going to glue down the sticky piece. And again, now the can has got this on it like this. And now we just remove the rest of the backing. And now we roll the can, keeping our fingers pressing it down so no air gets in there. And if we do it right, which we did this time, it's almost perfect. Not quite perfect, but you're probably better than I am. You can get that perfect. But you can see it's pretty good. What we don't want is for the can label, when it's on, to look like this. Well, it would actually look like this, where there's a big difference between the joint in the can. Can you see that? That's not good. This is what we're looking for, where it lines up perfectly, the two white pieces. So hopefully this 4.5-minute video will be helpful for you.